Phonics friends, and thank you for joining me today. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Let's get started. Today, we're going to be learning the k sound. Now, you might be thinking, I've heard the k sound before. And that's because one letter C makes a k sound and two letter C's make a k sound. K, 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 k. But today, we're going to be focusing on this k sound. Now, when I do this, it's my turn. And when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. K, k, k. Excellent. Now, we're going to have a little look in my magic box and see what we can find that uses the k sound. Let's have a look. Oh, football. Football doesn't have a k sound. I know football is sometimes called soccer. Can you hear the k sound in the middle of soccer? Soccer. Soccer. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the k sound. I've found a raccoon. Can you hear the k sound in the middle of raccoon? Raccoon. Raccoon. Excellent. Let's see if we can find something else that uses the k sound. Oh, yummy. I've found some broccoli. Can you hear the k sound in the middle of broccoli? Broccoli. Broccoli. Excellent. So broccoli, soccer and raccoon all use the k sound. Now we're going to have a go at writing the k sound. To write the k sound, we need to write two letter C's. To do this, we start at the top, we go round and down, then we do it again, start at the top, round and down. Now I want you joining in, so let's get your fingers ready, give them a big wiggle and a big shake, give your shoulders a big roll, and you can use your magic finger to do the writing, and you can use your other hand as a magic piece of paper to write on. Are we ready? Magic fingers. Start at the top, round and down, then again, start at the top, round and down. Excellent. Let's do it one more time. Magic fingers. Start at the top, round and down. Start at the top, round and down. Excellent. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the k sound. Our first word today is hiccup. My turn first. H-I-C-C-U-P. Hiccup. Your turn. Hiccup. My turn again. H-I-C-C-U-P. Hiccup. Your turn. Hiccup. Well done. And our last word for today is raccoon. My turn first. R-A-C-C-O-O-N. Raccoon. Your turn. Raccoon. My turn again. R-A-C-C-O-O-N. Raccoon. Your turn. Raccoon. Excellent. You've done an amazing job today and should be feeling really proud. I can't wait to see you again soon.